3 minus 1 gives us 2. And again, here we have 3 minus 1, which again gives us 2. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, MND stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses. And the second thing we need to solve is exponent. And the third thing we need to solve is multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? We have to prioritize multiplication over subtraction because multiplication or division has higher priority than addition or subtraction. So that is what we are going to do. And in our equation, 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 1, we have to do the multiplication before we ever teach the subtraction, so that is the right order. So 1 times 3 gives us 3, and the problem becomes 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 3 gives us 0, and 0 minus 1 is equal to negative 1. So the final answer to this question is negative 1.